What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Hopefully there has been some progress. Let's go! Nothing too crazy different over here for the rumored Universal Studio store. Still have the overhang there, but I'm not seeing any work on this side. We'll check the other. From what I can tell, well, nothing's really changed. We still have the overhang and then some of the new steel that's over there for one of the entries, it looks like, but that's about it. I will say this, they have completely transformed this building from what it used to be. And there's more changes on the way. One final look at everything going on for the rumored Universal Studio store. Again, looking pretty good. Hopefully by our next update, there will be some big changes. Hello, Lighthouse, and it's still warm here in Florida, but at least we have some overcast skies. There has been quite a bit of rain, so we might be dodging storms. We'll see. Ticket windows, not busy. Turnstiles on the right, closed. Ones on the left are open and no wait to get in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get in, and we are on our way. Wait times, let's see what's going on here at the park. It's open until 6. Hagrid's is at 90 minutes, Hulk is at 20. Spider-Man 30 minutes, Doctor Doom 5 minutes, 25 minutes for Kong and P Flyers. We can see on the next page, 5 minutes for Carousel and Cat in the Hat. Then we can see Hogwarts Express, 40 minutes. Popeye and Bluto's, Dudley Do-Right's 5 minutes. Forbidden Journey was 40 minutes. So not a busy day here, it looks like. And there it is, the Jurassic World VelociCoaster project. I can see a crane in the air, but it looks kind of slow on the site. Some guys are working on the front entrance steel structure. I notice over at the waterfront though, looks to be some new sediment or dirt along that big kind of sign looking thing. We'll get a closer view in a couple minutes. But yes, it's looking good. One other thing I did want to point out, the railings that were over here that were painted in our last update, well, they now have their final coat where it looks weathered. Looks like a lot more trees and plants have been added to the site. And here comes the wind and rain. Joy. We said there was something going on over here at the waterfront, and we can see a bank almost right there. It looks like the main walkway for the steel structure is getting a cover now. Now we're over by the Jurassic Park River Adventure, taking a look at all the rock work and the fence line. We can see the wires up at the top look to be complete. In fact, the whole fence looks like it's just about done. Painting, lighting, all looks good. Well, check out this awesome new addition. A pretty large tree right here. And we can see from this vantage point there's still some painting left to do on the fence line.
Single rider.
No, that's...
We can also see more lights have been added to those cross beams. Poles are there, but no nets have been added to the area closest to P-flyers. The biggest tell to know if it's actually doing any full course runs is to look at the track to see if there's any wear marks. And from what I can tell, I'm not seeing anything, at least on this first portion. I take it back. It looks like there's possibly wear marks on the track here. is in place for this stairwell. Unfortunately, nets have not been installed over here on this side by the Immelman. And now we're over here by the bypass bridge. Again, tons of trees and plants all over the place. The walls push back over to here. We can see the stall right there with nets on that support, as well in the helix area over there. Looks really good though. Locker area over here for Forbidden Journey looks to be just about the same, with all the scaffolding and tarps up. Still not too much visibly that we can see with all this stuff in the air, but hopefully those are going to be coming down soon. Again, hard to see, but there is a train on the brake run. You guys already know it's VelociFishy time. Good to see you guys. Hopefully the Osprey has not been giving you too much trouble. Work walls are still up over here at Honk Honkers. For how long? No clue. Speaking of the Osprey, I can now see it at the top of the top hat. Good to see you again, buddy. Come on now, what are you doing to that Sneetch? Uh-oh, look at all the holiday decorations right here for Seuss Landing. It means the Grinch is not too far behind. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and theming is ongoing. Looks really awesome as the fence line is wrapping up. Hopefully we're going to have some testing happening continuously. We saw some wear marks on the first half of the ride, so fingers crossed they're actually doing some runs. But if that happens, that means I'm going to be burning the midnight oil trying to catch it, so we'll see if that happens. Of course, we're going to have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.